Aloha, my name is Jaedin. Today we are visiting the Dinosaurs exhibit at the Bishop Museum. This adventure is going to be both exciting and scary. This first dinosaur is the Tyrannosaurus, and it may be related to the Triceratops. Look at these horns. It reminds me of rhinoceros. This next dinosaur is a Spherothallus. It looks like a battering ram with a helmet. It doesn't appear to be so dangerous, but I wouldn't want it to give me a headbutt. Oh my gosh! This is the terrifying Tyrannosaurus Rex, the king of the dinosaurs. Get me out of here! Ah! Here's the Raptor, a cunning and ferocious hunter. This red one is an Anzu Wiley. It makes sounds similar to a bird and it even has feathers. This Ankylosaurus has a lot of spikes, which makes it look like an overgrown porcupine. This Edmontosaurus is huge, but thankfully it ate plants. Wow, this Quetzalcoatlus looks like an enormous bird sitting in its nest waiting for its prey. This Triceratops is one of the mammals to survive after the dinosaurs became extinct. Oh no! The T.Rex got me! Oh well, before I get swallowed, I hope to see you on my next adventure. I'm sending some love to you.